got into the bag thing this year. I said, you know what? That's a good idea to get things.
Mom.
Come on.
Mommy.
Oh, that's cute.
I couldn't pass that up.
I like that. That's cute.
That's either for the bathroom or your bedroom. Now she's going to be a big girl. I thought that was so cute.
It's soap. Mommy, it's a soap dispenser.
Oh, adorable. You want to show you your
That is cute.
I brought you the box, honey.
Ah.
You left the box
Walmart.
at my
Huh?
house.
Walmart.
You don't have your necklace on?
I like Walmart.
Emily wants to do that.
I love it.
Emily said.
Huh?
I love it for shopping.
They were just
No.
putting all their couches.
Nah, she's
Oh,
home.
God, the stuff they
I
had.
forgot.
I mean, I'm working, but I took it as vacation. You can't beat their prices.
No, the money we saved there.
Well, I was going to take her to the movies.
Okay. Emily said.
Pretzels, cereal, tomato juice,
Because it keeps the girls busy. And
eggs, everything. Kathy doesn't like Walmart. I don't know
No,
why.
No, they're more than welcome.
Amy doesn't worry about, she says, like when Haley and Emily are together, they watch Val and Sam, they're like
Right.
big sisters, so.
Right.
Gives you one break. Yeah, so honey, you know that the
Use it
invitation
for
from
me.
Amy's still, even though mommy's home. Or like mommy said, they can come
Well,
here.
after work. I think I'm working Tuesday
You
and Wednesday.
praying there?
Oh, that's when Amy's working. But she
Tuesday
goes
night,
in
Wednesday
there.
night, and I'm
God,
working
you wrapped everything and
New
put
Year's.
ribbons on it? You're crazy.
Start opening.
So I'm not rude, I'll do it after.
What?
Grandpa, don't videotape Aunt Pat's butt.
God, that's real nice.
Mommy, I'm not gonna be mean. I'm gonna put everything on out here.
Bill, this is yours.
He wasn't good this
Oh
year.
yeah, guess what else Mom bought me? Nougat.
You want to see his pictures of his nose?
No, Mom.
Oh,
I couldn't
look
even take
at him.
watching the surgery in my
Oh,
life.
yeah. I know
But
it
this
sounds
is entirely
familiar, I just
different.
couldn't remember, honey. Oh, congratulations, babe.
She's like, this is another part, but you don't have it right now.
As long as we keep the grades up, right? Alright.
Jerry didn't mind looking at it.
What?
Bill's nose when he had it done.
No, I found it the most interesting, fascinating